Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying power and Wi-Fi so actions aren't interrupted. Once the app is open, select the specific Echo device and look at the notifications, messages, and reminders sections. A yellow ring usually means a pending alert. Ask aloud, "Alexa, what are my notifications?" to force the device to speak the alert. If Alexa reads nothing, tap the notification in the app to view and clear it, because clearing in the app removes the yellow indicator. Once done with the basic notifications, systematically clear communications, individual skill alerts, and reminders inside the app. Make sure you disable or adjust notification permissions for any skill that keeps sending alerts, because persistent skill notifications recreate the yellow ring. After you clear items, restart the Echo by unplugging it for about 10 seconds and plugging back in so the device refreshes its state. If the yellow light remains, repeat the notification clearance. To finalize, ask Alexa directly, "Are there notifications?" and watch whether the ring clears. This verifies the device registered the cleared alerts. If the yellow ring persists after repeated clears and restarts, sign out of your account in the app, deregister the device, then sign back in. As a last resort, perform a factory reset because corrupted settings can lock the indicator. Troubleshooting tip: if a reset doesn't help, contact Amazon support, since hardware or account-side notification caches may need manual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.